Hey, this is Andrew Brown, and let's take a look at the GitHub user profile. So for personal accounts, you get a GitHub user profile to showcase yourself as a developer, and that seems to be what they want the focus to be. As you start using it, you kind of get that idea. So here's an example of mine on my personal account, and let's just walk through the features of this profile. So we have a profile picture and bio that you can provide there. Notice that the bio is actually this little small tagline that's under your account right here. We have user profile README, so that is this README file over here that you can put whatever you like in. It'll showcase your repos, including the ones that you've pinned as your favorite. You'll have the contributors graph. This is a graph displaying your contributors over the past year. You might see an exam question on this. I got one for contributors graph. So basically, what is it actually showing? It has commits, pull requests, issues, and code reviews. If you remember that stuff, like what's in it, then it'll be very easy to pick it out in a lineup. You have followers and following. So this displays the number of followers you have and the numbers of users you are following. I didn't even know I had followers on GitHub, but apparently I do. You have stars, so show repos you have starred. We have organizations, so lists the GitHub organizations you are part of. Contribution activities, detailed lists of recent activities on GitHub. Let's take a look at these features in more closer view here. So the first thing is that big profile README, and you can have your own. All you got to do is create a public repo with the same username and as the repo name and the user. I'm trying to get my pen tool out here. That wasn't supposed to be uppercase. You know, PowerPoint likes to titleize stuff all the time, but you can see up here, this is what it is. And then I just have a README, and that's what it's rendering out. So that's pretty straightforward. You can change your profile photo, your display name, bio, URL in your profile, and your social accounts URL. So name, bio, if you want pronouns, URL, social accounts, choose your public email if you even want to show one. So there's that there. If you're looking for a job, you can also say, hey, I'm looking for work. You can pin specific GitHub repos that best showcase your work. So, you know, if you want to say, I made this video game called Swap and Pop a long time ago. This is like 2016, which was a clone of Tetris Attacks. I wanted to showcase that really good skills. Or maybe the 100 Days of Cloud. That was another project that I had. So there's other things like that you might want to showcase. And it's very easy to pin. You just go there and say, I want to pin these repos or these gists. If you don't know what gists are, we'll talk about it in the gist section. For contributor activity, this is going to show how active your public profile is. And so here we are seeing activity. I think these are all basically for public repos. Some people get really creative and they try to make their activity look like a photo. I'm trying to find there's my mouse. So they might try to make this look like something and into artwork by purposely committing. They might have like a bot that does that. I don't do that, but that is something that you can do. But there you go, okay?